Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am excited about today's video. Something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and that is make storage baskets for my house. I really love the rope storage baskets. This project is not rope. So I come up with another idea. I'm going to use fabric, and I'm going to fold the fabric into 1/2-inch strips, and I'm going to sew them together using a zigzag, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So let's get started.
So I started by cutting and ripping 2.5-inch strips of fabric from a piece of fabric that I already had, but a 2-yard piece of fabric should work for this project. Then I sewed the ends together, placing them perpendicular, right sides together, and then I just sewed along a diagonal from corner to corner. I cut off any excess bulky material down to about 1/4 inch along all my seams. Then I ironed the entire strip of long fabric, and I ironed all my seams open and flat. Then I folded in both edges of the fabric towards the middle, and then folded it again in half. Then I just sewed along the outer edge. Used canvas drop cloth material for a base, and I also used some fusible interfacing to stiffen the base. I'm going to make a 2-inch band to go around the top from this piece of fabric. I started the first row using just a straight stitch, and I started about 1/2 inch in away from the edge of the base. I started sewing all the edges together using a zigzag stitch all the way around the basket to the height that I wanted. So I measured all the way around the edge to get a length that I would need. I cut a piece of fabric 6 inches wide by the length that I needed, leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance on all sides. To attach the top band, I just used a zigzag stitch. Still watching, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe for more of these homemade DIY videos in the future, and I will see you next time.